Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Ring robots and robot vacuum integration workarounds, beginner guide step by step. To begin configuring your Ring robots, ensure you have the Ring app installed on your smartphone. Open the Ring app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, tap on the Devices tab located at the bottom of your screen. Select Set up a device to add your Ring robot. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose your robot model from the list provided. Make sure your robot is charged and powered on before proceeding. Connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network you want your robot to use. When prompted by the app, press the pairing button on your robot to initiate the connection. Wait for the app to recognize your device and establish the connection. Once connected, set up your robot's name and preferences in the app. To configure your robot vacuum integration, you will need to access the integration settings within the Ring app. Locate and select integrations from the app's main menu. Look for options such as Google Home or Alexa, depending on your smart home ecosystem. Choose your preferred platform and follow the prompts to link your accounts. For robot vacuum compatibility, ensure your vacuum is compatible with the Ring app. If your vacuum is not directly compatible, look for a third-party solution, such as IFT. Set up an IFT account if you don't already have one, and create an applet to connect your Ring robot with your vacuum. Select triggers and actions that work best for your needs, such as starting a vacuum after a Ring alert. Test the integration to ensure commands are communicated between devices seamlessly. If you encounter issues, check your Wi-Fi signal strength and ensure your devices are both connected properly. Adjust settings and preferences in both the Ring app and your Vacuums app as needed. Once everything is configured, familiarize yourself with the app's features to maximize your robot's effectiveness. This wraps up the setup process, allowing you to enjoy the full benefits of your Ring robots and robot vacuum integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.